Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Kothimbir Vadi, a Maharashtrian delicacy. Perfectly crispy and awesomely tasty. Let me show you how to make these. Come on. I have taken washed and finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. I have used some delicate stems also as they are full of flavor. Let's go ahead and season them with some flavorful spices and seasonings to enhance the flavor. The aroma of these spices along with the coriander leaves is amazing. Ginger garlic paste will upgrade the dish immediately. Give it a good mix until the seasonings are well blended with each other. Rice flour will give a crispy crunch to the Kothimbir Vadi when fried. At this time, we still haven't added any water and will continue mixing. Chickpea flour will bind them together. Keep mixing until it starts to come together. Mix until you see it sticking together. You see how it started binding together? At this point, we will add just 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and continue mixing until we see a nice ball form. It should not be too firm and not too soft. This is the perfect consistency and you can see when you press it down. Grease a plate well with oil and we will place and spread the coriander mixture evenly onto the plate. Make sure it's evenly spread all through. Sprinkle some sesame seeds evenly in one layer onto the coriander mixture. Press down gently for the seeds to stick to the coriander mixture. I have kept water to boil in a steamer and we will place the plate onto the stand. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. We will check for doneness by inserting a knife into the mixture and see if it's cooked completely. It comes out clean means it's cooked. Allow it to cool at room temperature and then we will cut them to desired size and shape. I'm cutting into squares. Check out the detailed recipe in the description box below. Make these a day or two ahead and refrigerate if you like. We will now deep fry these in medium hot oil until golden and crispy. Allow them to fry by themselves and turn only once in between. Go ahead and click the subscribe button to see such awesome recipes I post every week. The sesame seeds will not come out as they are stuck well onto the vadis. Look at these Kothimbir Vadis fried perfectly crispy and golden. These are so yummy and tasty and flavorful and will disappear quickly. Let me break one and show you. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.